Hi, Tim Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Surfraw on a Chromebook so you can surf a site directly from your command line, and you can search over about 100 search engines. So, all right, I'll show you how to do this. So it's very, very easy. So go down here. I'm going to open up my terminal emulator. This one here just says terminal is the one that comes installed when you turn on the beta version of a Chromebook, a beta version of Linux on a Chromebook. So I like this one though, so I just installed this one. That's easy to install. You can just type sudo apt install terminator. Let's make this a little bit bigger for you guys so you can see what I'm typing. Let's go here. I'm going to go up and we'll make it nice and large. All right, so I'm going to just type sudo apt install and then surfraw. Okay. And I'm going to go through and it's going to say it's going to take up 36.6 megabytes. Do I want to do that? Yes. So it's going to go ahead and install. And while it's doing that, let's pull up the Chrome browser here and let's just type in Surfraw GitHub. Okay. We'll go to the GitHub page and click here. I believe it's this one. And if we go down here, we can see Surfraw. And if we type surfraw-lv, that's going to give us what search engines we can use. So we're going to wait and let this install. And then we'll talk about what search engines you can use once you have the Surfraw installed. It'll take a moment, but it should finish shortly. In the meantime, if we're looking at this, we can talk about Surfraw. Shell users revolutionary front page against the web. Okay, whatever. That's the name of it. I think it was it's been created a while ago, but it is kind of a cool tool. And I'm going to show you in a minute. Once we get this installed, we're at 49, 50%. We're going, and we are almost there, 3/4. Stick with me. %. Come on. There we go. All right, we've got it installed. Let's clear it out. All right, so I'm going to type surfraw and then -lv. And that's going to give me, if I scroll down, I can search YouTube, I can search Yandex, Yahoo, World Science, Wolfram. This is computational knowledge engine. I know they have Wolfram Math. I think that might be different. Waffle, I don't know what that is. Wiktionary, Wikipedia, Webster, Wayback, EC Link, W3 Link, W3 HTML, so W3 Schools, I believe. Oh no, that's the validator, so you can check to make sure your website HTML is validated, CSS validator. You can search Urban Dictionary, Translator, Thesaurus, Stock Quotes, Stacks, Springer, SourceForge. That has a lot of software in it. It's pretty cool. A couple other ones here. Circs, CSpan, Scholar, SRTF, RA, PubMed. Let's see, let's keep going. PHP documents. That's awesome for a developer. MySQL documents, Music Brains, cool. Mini Nova, I have no idea what that is. Math World, Wolfram Math World, nice. Okay, keep going. jQuery, that's awesome. Again, this is an awesome tool for a developer. Gutenberg, GitHub. You can search GitHub, and we're going to do that in a moment. Yeah, nice. If we keep going up here, eBay, DuckDuckGo. Let's keep going. CNN, cool. The CIA. I'm not going to be searching that, but you could. Bing, BBC News, Amazon, a lot of stuff. Okay, so let's say I wanted to search for something on GitHub. So I'm going to just type in the command surfraw, and then I'm going to type GitHub because that's where I want to look for it. And let's look for T. Unkert and see what we get. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, and that's going to automatically open up the default browser. Now it says we couldn't find any repositories matching T-Uncred, but it did bring up, I think, my user profile. All right, so that's pretty cool. So let's go back here and let's clear this out, and let's do Surfraw GitHub Surfraw. Let's do that and see if it comes up. Okay, so we've got we've got this. This is the website we went to, so it comes up with the search result. Okay, so we can see that we were just at this website, but we can pull it up in our command line. That's pretty nice. Okay, we could do Google. We could do Surfraw, Google. Let's do HTML. Okay, and it's a Google search. It brings up a Google search of HTML. So this is great if you're in the command line. You want to say, I don't know, I want to go Surfraw, GitHub. Let's look for Emmet because that's great for front end development. Okay, search for Emmet. Okay, cool. I've got all this stuff. I've got Emmet for Vim, Emmet for Sublime text, Emmet. This is just Emmet for Atom, brackets Emmet for Eclipse. Nice. Okay. Let's say I'm fooling around with Emacs. So I want to Surfraw GitHub for Treemacs, which is a file explorer in Emacs. Let me go take a look and see what I can find with that. I see this one. Here's Emacs LSP. Let me click on that one. Okay. And this brings up Treemacs. Okay. All right, let's go back here and let's take a look at some other things we could search for. Let me go through my commands here. Just take a look. Okay, Math World. Let me do Math World here. So let me Surfraw Math World. Let me say I'm on the command line. Maybe I'm in Vim. I bring up a terminal and I want to search for something in math because I'm doing a math website. That'd be awesome, right? So I do Surfraw Math World, and then let's say I'm looking for quadratics, and let's see what we get. Okay, so it's going to go to math.wolfram, and we've got quadratic formula, we've got tangent curves, we've got quadratic curve, we got a bunch of these things. So, quadratic formula. Let me click on that, and then I can go and let me blow this up a little bit so you can see it a bit better. But yeah, so I've got a page on the quadratic formula. All right, it brings it right up from the command line. So this is a great tool if you are a web developer or designer or something like that, or someone who just likes to spend a lot of time in the command line and you want to quickly search for something, but you don't want to jump up, open your browser, go through all that stuff and then have to search. It's just a quick search. It'll open the browser for you. You can also, if we go look at this documentation, if we go scroll down, we can also, and if you look at some of the commands here, maybe it's not here, maybe it's up. Take a look. I know I was doing this earlier, but you can create a config file. Well, anyways, it is in here. You can create a config file and have it search directly from your command line. So you can actually search websites directly from your command line if you use something like Links, which is another tool you can install. I have a prior video about that. I'll include that in the description, but you can set it as a default browser so you can search these websites, these search engines, just from Links. So anyways, if you like video like this, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow and continues to motivate me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.